My question is when you do all that research and then everything, and then you talk to the agent and you give their offer and you use the double dip strategy,
yep.
and then they pretty much say that they're not even willing to give a verbal offer, how do you handle that?
Yeah, well, I mean, there's only so much you can do, but always push for the verbal. So here's a couple ideas around how to handle that. So I almost can always get the agent to make a verbal, or at least tell me they're going to make a verbal. I don't know if they actually do. But one method that works really well is I'll say to the agent, I'll say, look, it's in your best interest to verbally make my lowball offer. And here's why. Let's say that the seller's at 150 and you're offering 75. Well, think about what's going on. The agent probably oversold the seller on what it's going to sell for, and now it's not selling. So they look stupid going to the seller and saying, hey, remember how I told you we could get 150 and no one's making any offers? And, now I have a cash offer for 75. The seller's going to be going, well, what the heck, dude? You told me you'd get 150. So now they have egg on their face and they look dumb. Agents oftentimes are more worried about looking dumb than doing what's right to the seller. And that's just human nature, right? They don't want to look dumb. So how do we work around that? So here's what I'll tell the agent. I'll say, look, the seller is going to be more willing to do a price reduction if we make my low offer, because the seller's going to be going, well, shoot, we're at 150. No one's making any offers. I got this lowball cash offer for 75. There's no way I'm taking 75, but let's go ahead and do a price reduction to 140 or 135. So I'll explain to the agent, this is going to help you get a price reduction, which is going to help you sell the house faster. So I'm actually helping you get this property sold by making this lowball offer. And a lot of times the agents will have a light bulb moment and they'll go, oh yeah, definitely can see that. I'll go ahead and call and make that lowball offer.